Welcome back to Tech for Gamers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off vibrations and haptics within the Earn to Die Rogue game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Earn to Die Rogue game on your device, and after completing the first level, you will gain access to the main menu. Now, if you want to turn off the vibrations or haptics within your gameplay, then to do this, from the main menu, tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. This will open up the settings page where you can find the vibration setting underneath music. If this is set to the right, which will make it glow red, then the vibrations will be enabled. So if you want to turn this off, make sure that the green option is set, which will turn it off. After this, you can play your game and the vibrations will not appear in your gameplay anymore. If at any time you wish to turn this setting back on, you will need to come back into the main menu, go back into settings, and then once again tap on this toggle. So there you have it. That is how you can enable or disable the vibration or haptics within the Earn to Die Rogue game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.